Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the video of how I use these alcohol inks. I did get these at Michael's, but you can also get them online or Hobby Lobby. I've even seen online that Walmart sells them. I did buy these at Michael's. Like I said, they were $11.99 and they do come in a pack of 3 and they're all different. No colors are the same. They don't repeat, so each pack you get, they will be different. They do have 6 different colors, 6 different packs. So they are 3 to a pack, like I said, and like I said, these are different colors. This is the butterscotch one, butterscotch caramel, and these are 5 fluid ounces or 14 milliliters. So like I said, these are alcohol inks. I searched YouTube to see if I saw anybody using it with acrylic, and I didn't see any videos, but I did see a whole bunch of people using them as with builder gel. So I'm going to show you how I used it with acrylic. So you're going to need a dapping dish, some clear tips. You're going to want to use clear tips, not natural tips. Make sure they're clear because you're going to want to be sure you can see the jelly part. And you're going to need your monomer. I'm using my Valentino monomer and acrylic, but you can use any brand. And then I picked these up yesterday. These came in a pack of 3, like I said, but this is an indigo color, and then this other one was a twilight purple. So you're just going to want to put some monomer in your dapping dish. You're just going to want to use a little bit of monomer because, well, right here I'm just going to do a sample nail, but just use as much monomer as you need for a set. And so you're going to open your alcohol ink and you're going to do a few drops in the monomer. I did maybe like 4 or 5 drops, but you can start off with 1. I'm sure if you only add 1 or 2 drops, it's going to still look a little clear. So you just want to play around with it and see how many drops you want to add so you can see if you like it or not. So you're going to mix it, and then you're going to get your clear acrylic and you're going to start doing your nail. So I didn't shape the nail, I just left it as long as it was, but you can cut them down to the length you want them. Just make sure you don't file on top of the nail, because if you file on top of the nail, you're going to leave a lot of scratches on the plastic on the nail tip, and you don't want that. You want it to be as smooth as possible because these are going to look jelly and you're going to see every scratch on the nail. So just dip it like you would do. Dip your brush in monomer, pick up a ball of acrylic, and just start doing your nails. It's that simple. I'm just going to show y'all these 2 nails, and I picked up this blue color yesterday because I didn't have a blue or a purple and I wanted to get a blue color, and oh my god, it's so pretty. And like I was saying earlier, I didn't see anybody use acrylic, use the alcohol inks with acrylic. I searched the video and I checked to see if anybody was doing this, and I didn't see anybody, but the alcohol ink wasn't my idea. A lot of people were using them with builder gel, and builder gel is always going to be, well, gel in general is always going to be clearer than acrylic. It's just, I don't know why, it's just the way it is. But they did do jelly nails with the builder gel and the alcohol ink, and they look so pretty. And I wanted to see if I can find a way to use the alcohol ink with the monomer, and it did work. It didn't get hot or anything. There wasn't any reaction or anything. And I have these nails on. I'm going on 3 days with these nails on already, and they're perfectly fine. They're strong. As I was doing my set, I didn't feel any heat spikes or anything. So I do recommend y'all do try this, because I did see the gel bottle and Wildflowers has the jelly nails, the jelly gel polish, and each bottle from the gel bottle is, I think I saw them for $13.99, and Wildflowers has the set for like $40, I think. So this is a cheaper alternative if you don't want to spend that much money. Don't get me wrong, I do like the colors that the gel bottle has. They have a pink one that I want to buy because I haven't found a pink one I liked yet, but I am going to buy just that one pink because it's so pretty. So this is a good alternative if you don't want to spend all that money on gel polish. You can use this alcohol ink with acrylic. So you're going to do the top coat on the top and then on the bottom. Make sure you top coat the bottom too. That way it looks pretty. That way you can look pretty. This is the indigo color and this is the purple twilight. They're so pretty. You can see they are jelly. You can see through here. And I also did a whole bunch of other colors. I'll show you those right now. So this is the one I have on my nails. And then here are the other colors. This is like a orangey color and this is like I mean, they look almost the same, but they're not. This is like orange and this is more yellow. Like a watermelon color and then a red. This one looks like a candy apple color. And then these are the ones I did yesterday, and then these two right here are the ones that I did today. And then I still have a few more colors to do over here. I have 7 more to do. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and these are exactly the same as the ones that the gel bottle has, but they're gel polish. And I wanted to do acrylic because I don't really use gel polish too much, but I wanted to try it with acrylic. But I do want to pick up 2 of the colors from the gel bottle because I saw they had a pretty pink one and I wanted to get that. So I'm going to pick that up. So thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.